This is a USB4 flat cable, rated for data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. First, we take a closer look at the flat cable design and the USB-C connectors. Next, the cable is connected to a 24-pin continuity tester to check the pin connections. The cable is then connected to an electronic load to test power delivery. During the test, the measured output reaches over 90 watts. After that, the built-in e-marker chip is verified, and the cable information is read from the tester. Each cable is checked before shipping. View the full product details using the link in the description.